In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can raise your trading limits on Coinbase. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and it is not financial advice. So just keep that in mind. But Coinbase trading limits are the maximum amount that you can buy, sell, send, or receive on your account. Your limits can depend on things like account verification, payment methods, purchase history, and account activity. And to increase your limits, you're first going to have to complete the required verification steps. Start by verifying your phone number, and then of course verify your personal information. After that, complete the identity verification with a photo ID. These steps are usually stuff that you do when you first create your account in the first place as well, and they usually need to be completed in order to request higher limits. You could also select this and click on your account itself, and then from here go into security to access the majority of these. But once again, this is stuff that you probably already had to do in the first place when creating your account. To apply then for a limit increase, you need to open up the Coinbase settings by hitting those three lines just like so, and then select your account and settings name up at the very top. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Scroll down on here, you're going to see a limits tab right here. It might say account limits as well. Go ahead and open that up. And if you're eligible, select increase limits and then tap apply now. Coinbase will then review your account and email you with the result. Sometimes this can take up to a couple business days, so just keep that in mind. If you're not eligible, however, you may need to wait and try again later. Just make sure your ID photo is clear, your information is correct, and your payment method is verified before applying. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do release this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.